Okay, so here we have the Zoom H1N. We're gonna open the back and see what's inside. Okay, here it is. It's not very heavy. Comes in a box with the features here, what's inside the package as well. It says can go all the way up to 24-bit 96 kilohertz, includes Mp3 recording, use micro SD card, always work with batteries. It's got a self speaker. Alright, let's see what is inside then. Open the back. Nothing else here. Here's the carton. Some instructions. More instructions like the guide. Quick start guide. Also some downline information about Wavelight software and Ubasi's Little Edition software as well. The package includes 2 batteries to start working maybe. And here is the machine itself. It's quite light and small, so it's interesting. Let's see it. Yeah, you can see my hands and it's very small. Looks like it will fit anywhere. Interesting, not very heavy. Room for the SD card. That wheel here just to give the level to the recording level. Screen, rec button, and some other buttons on top of this. Volume for the line out for the headphone. 2 microphones, battery department, very small. It's handy. You have to be careful and don't lose it because it's very small. H1N handy recorder says here from Zoom. Okay, so this was the unboxing of this guy. Thanks.